Why do you think most people who are in physical therapy recommend Pilates as a complementary to the rehabilitation?
Well, I really like this question, and I can see it on my clients' faces when they first come out to me. And what I assure them is that when you're coming out of PT, you're still having some discomfort, you're still having some pain. So Pilates is a gentle movement practice that can be modified, but then it can grow with you. So as you gain your strength back, as you gain your confidence back, you can start to see the exercises progressing. And even if it's the same exercise, it feels different in the body. The body is responding differently because the muscles are responding differently, but it's because we've taken that slow progression of exercises as opposed to just throwing weight at the client.
Yeah, and I love how it teaches alignment and breath and the right core activation, right? Because I think even sometimes in physical therapy, maybe muscles are getting activated that are the outer core and not really the inner core. And I love how Pilates just brings that into light for patients and makes them helps them to connect the breath with the core, especially with that alignment, and then carrying over. I mean, I know I always hear you talking about posture and walking and how, just getting in the right posture or adding length just kind of gets those core muscles activated.
Yeah, and also just for a side note, it doesn't have to be just PT patients that are doing Pilates. Everybody can do Pilates. Everybody can improve their exercise practices. Anything that they're doing from dance to pickleball.
Yes.
Everybody can really benefit from just getting to know how their body moves properly, getting that deep foundational strength, and then going out into the world and doing what it is that they enjoy.
Yeah. I think the other thing that even for me when I went through my training in Pilates was creating movements that are safe. It's like, so when you're injured and you're afraid to move, sometimes you don't want to do exercise and you're really afraid. You're afraid to go back to the gym. You're afraid, like, what if I do this? And Pilates is a very safe way, especially with the equipment, to be able to support, healthy movement and get people more confident in moving in their bodies.
And I actually say that a lot to my clients, that post-injury, they're being told a lot of times what they can't do, what they shouldn't do. And when they come in and see me, I sometimes feel like I'm a breath of fresh air because I'm showing them what they can do, what they are capable of doing. And so that's one of the reasons why I'm here, is because I love being that breath of fresh air for my clients.